All right, so here's some good news. I don't know, it's probably been a week or so, maybe longer, since our trimming of the peach trees. And these aren't dwarf peach trees, but we're going to try to make them dwarf trees because we can't keep them in the garden if we let them grow super tall. The limit for the community garden is 6 feet, so I gotta abide by the rules. But good news is I see new growth here. I don't know if you can see that. We got a little bit of new growth on this branch and that branch. See, look at that. We got some green on all the branches, so it's not dead yet. This one is looking solid, but we'll have to keep it trimmed and then check in over here as well. Oh my goodness, look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that little flower is. Yes, there's a bloom. Yeah, so this one's also still alive. Again, pretty thick, right? That's my thumb. It was a big peach tree, but we trimmed it back. So yeah, good stuff. They're still alive. Part 2 of the dwarf peach trees. Our update is not dead yet. That is the update.